Chandler's mother was beaten half to death last week during a home invasion. He was granted compassionate leave, but before he came back from Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he delivered that money to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target, an only child. Local informants tipped us off, and Chandler agreed to work with us. But on his way to the drop, someone took a shot at him. The kid panicked and he tried to get home to see his mother in West Virginia, only made it to DC. We think it could be tied to an arms dealer case that we're working on down there. We want you to go down there and try to liaise with them. Pick either agent to go with you.